Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How
Namaskar,
are you,
ma'am.
beta?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all,
Good
beta?
morning, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Fine, ma'am.
Okay, beta. How was your day?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So,
मैम आज हम क्या करेंगे?
Ma'am, what we can do
revision
today?
chapter number 1. We'll do the
मैम
revision
हम
of
मैथ
chapter.
नहीं करेंगे?
Yes. We will do first the math and then we will do the revision.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but I don't have a map.
Ma'am, station is close. I don't have map.
You don't need to do math right now. आपको देखकर समझना है. तो मैथ कैसे करना है?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you send.
Yes, I will send you PDF, beta. I will send you PDF, okay? And when you will get the map, when the lockdown will finish and stationery will open, then you have to purchase the map and then you have to complete your map activity. ठीक है? तो अभी कोई भी पेरेंट्स को परेशान नहीं करेंगे कि मैप लाना है. ठीक है? जब भी लॉकडाउन खुल जाएगा और स्टेशनरी खुलेंगी, then you have to purchase your map and then complete your map activity. Okay? Okay, everyone, write in chat box. Yes or no? Nobody will. ओके, तो आपको भी परेशान नहीं होना है और पेरेंट्स को भी परेशान नहीं करना है मैप के लिए. ओके बेटा? ओके, नाउ we will start Gayatri mantra firstly, then we will start our work. So everyone, be ready. Get ready for Gayatri mantra. Everyone, turn on your camera, turn on your video. Everyone, turn on your video, beta. Turn on your video. Okay, everyone, here is only Dharmbarashtra. Everyone, turn on your video and be ready for Gayatri mantra. Everyone, join your hand. Close your eyes. Join your hand. Close your eyes. Everyone. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to unmute you firstly.
I have a doubt.
Now everyone, ready for exercise. Now complete 5 times. And 20 also. Yes, very good everyone. Now complete 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Done?
Done, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Okay, I will ask you now.
Ma'am, can I speak? मैम हमारा रोल नंबर कब आएगा? मैम हमारा रोल नंबर कब आएगा? मैम हमारा हाउस, हाँ मैम हाउस और रोल नंबर
बेटा हाउस और रोल नंबर भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. ओके. ओके बेटा. Now thought of the day. Who will give thought of the day? Thought of the day, beta. Okay, here is Shreya's. We can learn something from everyone we meet. But our mind must be open. Yes. So our today's thought is Shreya's thought. We can learn something from everyone we meet. हम जिस किसी से भी मिलते हैं उससे हमें कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. बट जरूरत किस चीज की है? आवर माइंड शुड बी ओपन, मस्ट बी ओपन. हमारा दिमाग अटेंटिव होना चाहिए, खुला होना चाहिए कि हम उस इंसान से या जिससे भी हम मिल रहे हैं उससे हम क्या सीख सकते हैं. ओके. सो आवर टुडेज थॉट इज वी कैन लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम एवरीवन वी मीट, बट आवर माइंड मस्ट बी ओपन. ओके. Done, beta? So now off your video. Now we will start our lecture. Okay? Everyone? Off your video, beta. Sanvi and Sia, off your video. Okay. So now we will start our lecture. Okay, I'm going to share this screen with you. Okay, then firstly we will do the map activity about the 7 continents of the world. Okay, and after then we will do the 5 oceans in the world. Okay. I'm sharing the screen. Just a minute. Just a minute, beta. Okay, we will do the map activity firstly. You can see here is the map. Okay, in your textbook you have a map on page number 14. Okay, this is called the world physical map. This is called the world physical map. Okay, when you purchase this map, you will see that nothing is written on it. Okay, when you will purchase the world political map, nothing should be written on it. Okay, it should be blank like this. I'm going to blank it. When you will purchase, you can see it will seem like this. Okay, nothing should be written here. No ocean's name, no any continent name should be written. Okay, nothing should be written here. I'm erasing the name which are given here. Okay, then it will seem map which you will purchase. Okay, and these lines were also not on that map. Okay, so these are your physical map now. Everyone is able to see it? This is your physical map. Nothing is written on it. Only just outlines are given of all the continents. Okay, nothing is written. This is our Antarctica. This is our Antarctica. Okay. So now this is your physical map. Okay, beta. When you will purchase your physical world map, you will have to purchase this map. Okay. Everyone see it clearly. This is called world physical map. Nothing is written on it. Only outlines are given here. You can see these are only outlines. Nothing is between this. इनके बीच में कोई भी डिवीजन नहीं है. This is called the physical map. Okay, this is called the physical map. Now we will do the map activity. We have to show the 7 continents on the 7 continents in the world. So your topic is, you have to write your topic on the map. When you will purchase map, here will be place to write the topics, your name, class. Okay. So you have to write the 7 continents. Continents. Okay, this is your topic, the 7 continent. Okay, now your first. Now, which is our first largest continent? It is Asia, and Asia is in northern hemisphere, as you know. So see, here is Asia. Number 1 continent is Asia. Okay, now we have, this is our Asia. Everyone, you have to do this. Asia. Okay, this is our first largest continent. Okay, now second largest continent is Africa. Second largest continent is Africa. Okay. Now it is in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, because equator is dividing it into 2 equal parts. Upper is called northern hemisphere and bottom is called southern hemisphere. This is 0 degree equator line which passing through this continent. Okay, so this is our second largest continent in the world. It's known as the Africa, and 0 degree latitude divided this continent into 2 equal parts. North is called northern hemisphere and bottom is called southern hemisphere. And also 2 important latitudes, Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer, are also passing through this continent. Okay, and also 0 degree longitude also passes from this continent from here. Okay, my line is going to be, this is 0 degree longitude. Okay, so Africa is second largest continent in the world. 3 latitudes are passes through it. 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree north latitude known as the Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree south latitude known as the Tropic of Capricorn. And also 0 degree meridian, which is known as the prime meridian or Greenwich. Okay, now our third largest continent is North America. North America. Okay, North America. This is our third largest continent, and it was discovered in 15th century. Okay, and it lies in the northern hemisphere because it is on the top side of the 0 degree latitude. So it's come in the north side, and according to longitude it comes in eastern hemisphere. According to western hemisphere. According to latitude, see, this is our 0 degree latitude. Okay. So according to 0 degree latitude, North America comes in northern hemisphere. And here is our 0 degree longitude. So when we see the 0 degree longitude, America comes in eastern hemisphere. This green line, whole the part of green line is showing you western hemisphere. Western hemisphere. Okay. And this blue line is showing you northern hemisphere. Okay. Blue lines are showing you northern hemisphere and all green lines showing you eastern hemisphere. So according to 0 degree latitude, according to this line, North America comes in northern hemisphere. Okay. And according to this line, 0 degree longitude, our North America comes in eastern hemisphere, in the western hemisphere also. Okay. Done, beta? This is the location of third largest continent known as the North America. According to latitudes, it's come in the northern hemisphere, and according to longitudes, it's come in the western hemisphere. Okay. Then it has a Rocky Mountain lie along the west coast of North America. Done. Now we will see the fourth largest continent. And the fourth largest continent is, here is the fourth largest continent. Fourth largest continent is South America. South America. Okay. It's a South America. It is our fourth largest continent. And what is the direction of it? You can see clearly according to 0 degree latitude, its most of parts come in southern hemisphere and the few parts come in northern hemisphere. Few parts come in northern hemisphere. Okay. South America comes in southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere also. Okay, and it is also in the western hemisphere according to 0 degree longitude. Okay, this is our 0 degree longitude. So according to this black line, this also comes in western hemisphere. Okay. Now the fifth largest continent is Antarctica. The fifth largest continent is Antarctica. Here is Antarctica. It is our fifth largest continent. Antarctica. This is Antarctica. Fifth largest continent, it is Antarctica, and you can see the location of Antarctica. It comes in southern hemisphere. Here is 0 degree latitude. Okay, so it is in the bottom side of 0 degree latitude. Okay, it is in the southern hemisphere according to longitude. Okay, and you can see here clearly that it is our 0 degree longitude. So you can see some part of Antarctica also come in the eastern hemisphere. This green part is, this blue part is in eastern hemisphere, and this green part is in western hemisphere. Okay. Okay, beta, this is the location of Antarctica, which is our 5th largest continent. Okay, now everyone see here. Now we will see the sixth largest continent. This is Antarctica. Just a minute. Antarctica, the 5th largest continent. Now this is our 6th largest continent, Europe. Sixth largest continent, Europe. Europe, 6th largest continent, Europe. Okay. This is our 6th largest continent. Now, the smallest and 7th continent is Australia. Here is Australia, the 7th largest continent, or the smallest. We can say the smallest continent, Australia. Australia. Okay, this is our 7th continent. You can take the screenshot, beta, if you wish. You can take the screenshot. You can take the screenshot, beta. I will also send you the PDF. Everyone take the screenshot. Beta, as I move to see your chat box, it will erase, so it will automatically erase, so you have to take the screenshot. Everyone has taken. Done, beta. Done. Now moving to see your chat box, beta, it will erase. Those are remaining, take the screenshot. One minute more, everyone. Done. Okay, beta, now I'm going to see your chat box. Okay. Now, done this, everyone. Have you any doubt here, beta? Yes, I will send you the PDF also, beta. I will send you PDF also. Yes, beta. आ सकता है. Okay, so don't worry. बेटा जो स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं, they can take. Otherwise, I will send you the PDF also. You have to buy physical and political both map, बेटा. ओके, एक ही बार आपको मैप खरीद के ले आना है, फिजिकल भी पॉलिटिकल भी. जब हम पॉलिटिकल पे करेंगे तब पॉलिटिकल मैप पे आपको काम करना होगा. बार बार आपको शॉप पे जाना ना पड़े. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू टू परचेज फिजिकल एंड पॉलिटिकल बोथ मैप. ओके, पूरे साल का काम हो जाएगा. यू हैव टू परचेज 10 फिजिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया, 10 पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया, 10 फिजिकल मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड, 10 फिजिकल मैप ऑफ 10 पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड. ओके, 10 मैप, फिजिकल पॉलिटिकल दोनों मिलाकर वर्ल्ड के 10 मैप आपको लेने हैं और इंडिया के. ओके, यू गेव डाउट. Yatri, just a minute. I'm seeing your doubt, Yatri. Better time will share with you. Dharamjeet has a doubt. Yatri and Dharamjeet has a doubt. Just a minute, beta. Beta, we have to do the next map also. Okay, Yatri, what is your doubt, beta?
मैम आपने जो कल होमवर्क दिया था उसमें मुझे क्वेश्चन नेम हमें जो सारे जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था व्हाट इज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैप उसमें मैंने 3 लिखे तो मुझे और भी आते हैं तो मैं वो लिख सकती हूँ।
नहीं बेटा, अभी आपको सिर्फ आपकी बुक के लेवल का लिखना है। जो बाकी के टाइप्स ऑफ मैप है वो आगे की बड़ी क्लासेस के लिए। ये जो 3 मैप्स है ये बेसिक 3 मैप्स है। ओके, बेसिक और इम्पोर्टेंट 3 पार्ट टाइप्स ऑफ मैप है। ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट राइट नाउ दीज 3 मैप। ओके
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
वेलकम बेटा। बेटा एमईए आपका 20 मार्क्स का जो भी है क्वेश्चन आएगा। ओके, एमसीक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चन है। अब मैं आपको ये नहीं बताने जाऊंगी कि मैं मैप में से पूछने वाली हूँ या नहीं पूछने वाली हूँ। यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर चैप्टर 1 and 2। ओके, एमसीक्यूज ही आएंगे बट इट डजंट मीन कि आपको मैप नहीं करना, मैप में से आएगा तो ही करना है। ओके, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर चैप्टर्स। ओके, अभी एमईएज है 2 ही चैप्टर है, देन यू कैन कंप्लीट इट अकॉर्डिंग, यू हैव अ टाइम टू कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर और प्रिपेयर दिस चैप्टर। ओके, no matter your exam will of 20 marks only MCQ or written. Okay, you have to prepare your whole chapter. Okay beta, it will help you in your PA1 or term 1. अभी burden कम है, only you have a 2 chapters, so complete it. MEA1 के लिए सिर्फ MCQ प्रिपेयर करना है, ये सोचकर नहीं प्रिपेयर करना है आपको। Okay, you have to prepare it completely. Now we will do the next map about the 5 oceans of the world. It means we will do the map activity of 5 oceans. We will locate the 5 oceans of the world on the world physical map. Okay, let's see. Now I am not going to erase the name of which are given on map. Okay, पहले मैंने आपको इरेज करके बताया ताकि आप समझ पाओ कि व्हाट इज कॉल्ड फिजिकल मैप। फिजिकल मैप कैसा होता है और ये कैसा दिखाई देता है। ओके, सो नाउ स्क्रीन शेयरिंग। जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा। Okay, now we will do the 5 oceans of the world. Name are given here. I'm just writing the number. Okay, now I'm not going to erase it. और दोनों ही मैप आपको अलग अलग करना है। In your textbook, both are given on one map, but you have to do on 2 different maps. Okay, continent को अलग करना है और अलग मैप पे दिखाना है, और oceans को अलग मैप पे दिखाना है। Okay, so here are we have 5 oceans of the world. See, first is Pacific Ocean. As you know, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. So where is the Pacific Ocean? As you know, on a map, half part of Pacific Ocean is in west side and half part is in right side. It means east side. This is our first ocean, Pacific Ocean. Okay, this is our first ocean, Pacific Ocean. Now here is our second largest and biggest ocean, this is called Atlantic Ocean. 2 number, Atlantic Ocean. Upper part of the Atlantic Ocean, which is upper on the 0° latitude, known as the North Atlantic Ocean, and the bottom is known as the South Atlantic Ocean. Okay, done. Now next is the third ocean is, our third ocean is the Indian Ocean. So where is the India? It is in Asia continent. So you can see here. This is our third ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, this is the location of third ocean, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world, and it is named after the India country. It is in the south of Asia. Okay, so this is our third largest ocean. Now we will see the location of our fourth ocean is Antarctic Ocean. Fourth ocean is Antarctic Ocean. It is also known as the South Ocean. This is our fourth. This is our fourth ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. It is also known as the Southern Ocean. Okay, it is also known as the Southern Ocean. It lies near the South Pole. That's why it's known as the Southern Ocean. Okay, done. Now fifth is Arctic Ocean. Now the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. It is near to Arctic Circle. So we have Arctic Ocean in the northern hemisphere. Okay, here is the Arctic Ocean. The fifth ocean. The fifth ocean, Arctic Ocean. It is our fifth ocean, the Arctic Ocean. It is our fifth ocean, Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean also. Okay, so our first largest ocean is Pacific. Okay, you can see the number first. And the second largest ocean is North Atlantic. Okay, and South Atlantic. Okay, and the third is Indian Ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. Okay, fourth is Southern Ocean. And fifth is Arctic Ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. It is in the southern hemisphere. That's why it is also known as the Southern Hemisphere. Arctic is in Northern Hemisphere. It is also known as the Northern Ocean. Okay, it is not given here, but it is also known as the Northern Ocean. Okay, beta, done. Those you can able to take the screenshot, you can take. Those you are able to take screenshot, you can take, beta. Done. Screenshot is done, beta. Done, everyone. Okay. Now, everyone is clear how you have to do the map activity? Everyone is clear, beta? Everyone? Everything is clear? Hetvi Pandit, just a minute, beta. Okay, what is your doubt, Hetvi? Just a minute, Hetvi. I'm seeing your name, beta. Hetvi Pandit. Ashil is here. Okay, what is your doubt, Hetvi?
मैम
Yes.
मैम हमें 10 मैप्स लेने हैं ना?
Yes, बेटा.
वो अभी आपने जो करवाया वो ओशन का था ना?
बेटा वो मैप तो क्या है, वर्ल्ड का फिजिकल मैप है. ओके, उसी के ऊपर आपको ओशन दिखाना है और वैसे ही दूसरे मैप पे आपको कॉन्टिनेंट दिखाना है. ओके,
कॉन्टिनेंट और ओशन ऐसे वर्ल्ड के फिजिकल और पॉलिटिकल है ना?
हाँ.
और फिर इंडिया का फिजिकल और पॉलिटिकल आपने जो करवाया वो फिजिकल और पॉलिटिकल वर्ल्ड का था ना?
यस बेटा, वो फिजिकल मैप था वर्ल्ड का, पॉलिटिकल नहीं था, फिजिकल मैप था.
फिजिकल था. ओके ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, so now next is, now I'm going to ask some question. Mahi, Seta, you have a doubt. Dharamjeet has a doubt. Just a minute. Mahi, Seta and Dharamjeet. Okay, Dharamjeet, what is your doubt, beta?
मैम एग्जाम में कौन से चैप्टर आए थे?
बेटा सिलेबस दिया है ना आपको, जो हमने किया है बस वही आएगा, चैप्टर 1 and 2.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Okay, beta. So now, Mahi, Seta, what is your doubt, beta? Just a minute, Mahi, Seta. Yes, Mahi. एक मिनट बेटा, माही. Yes, Mahi. What is your doubt, Mahi? Mahi, Seta. What is your doubt, Mahi, Seta? I'm waiting, beta. Mahi, am I audible, beta? Mahi. बेटा और किसको डाउट है? माही इज नॉट रिप्लाइंग. विश्वा हैज अ डाउट. विश्वा एंड याना. ओके, यस याना, व्हाट इज योर डाउट?
मैम जो आपने अभी फिजिकल मैप का करवाया ना, इसमें कोई कॉन्टिनेंट लिखे हुए है तो चलेगा?
बेटा आपको बिल्कुल ब्लैंक लेना है जिसमें लिखा हुआ नहीं हो. ओके, जैसे मैंने शुरू में सारे नेम इरेज करके बताया था ना आपको, वैसा मैप लेना है और फिर उसमें अपने आप फिल करना है उस जगह को पहचान के कि कहाँ पे एशिया है, कहाँ पे हमारा नॉर्थ अमेरिका है, कहाँ पे साउथ अमेरिका है. इस तरीके से आपको खुद उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस को आइडेंटिफाई करना है.
फिजिकल मैप
बेटा वो वर्ल्ड फिजिकल मैप है जो आपने अभी किया. ओके,
थैंक यू।
वेलकम बेटा।
मैम
यस
मैम आप सबको कहो ना एक ही बार मैसेज लिखे, आई हैव डाउट कितनी बार लिखते हैं ना, फिर टू आवाज आता है,
कितनी बार समझाती हूँ इन्हें पर ये मानती ही नहीं है।
फिर वो
कितनी बार कहा बेटा, एक ही बार लिखा करो मैसेज। एंड
पूरा ऐसा डाल देते।
बेटा ओके बेटा, नाउ डोंट टॉक, आई एम गोइंग टू अनम्यूट देम। विश्वा, व्हाट इज योर डाउट बेटा?
मैम आपने जो मैप लेने के लिए कहा, हमको 5 मैप लेना है कि दोनों के 10 मैप की कॉपी लेनी है?
बेटा दोनों की 10 मार्क की कॉपी लेनी है।
ओके मैम, थैंक
ठीक है?
यू। यस मैम।
ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सानवी अघारा, हर्षिल, श्लोक। सानवी अघारा, यस बेटा, व्हाट इज योर डाउट? सानवी अघारा, व्हाट इज योर डाउट बेटा? सानवी अघारा, व्हाट इज योर डाउट? सानवी, सानवी अघारा, व्हाट इज योर डाउट बेटा? सानवी अघारा, what is your doubt Sanvi? Sanvi is not replying.
मैम हम 5 प्लेन मैप और 5 हम वो जेरो वाले मैप ले तो चलेगा?
बेटा 5 नहीं 10 ले लो, 10 मैप। तो पूरे साल जो भी मैप हमें करना है ना वो हो जाएगा, आपको बार बार परचेज करने नहीं जाना पड़ेगा। ओके, एक ही बार जब शॉप पे जाओ स्टेशनरी पे तो एक ही बार परचेज।
तो मैम हमें 10 मैप लेने हैं, उसमें से हम 5 मैप वो प्लेन और 5 मैप वो सब ड्रॉ किया हुआ आएगा, वो ले तो चलेगा?
नहीं बेटा, 10 आपको फिजिकल और 10 पॉलिटिकल लेना है। ओके ओके, 10 मैप फिजिकल एंड 10 मैप पॉलिटिकल, दोनों का, वर्ल्ड का भी फिजिकल और पॉलिटिकल और इंडिया का भी फिजिकल और पॉलिटिकल।
ओके मैम।
Parth, what is your doubt beta? Okay beta, now off your videos. Parth, what is your doubt Parth?
मैम मैं ये कह रहा था, हम मेरे दीदी के पास एक मैप पड़ा तो मैं उसकी जेरोक्स निकलवालूं तो चलेगा?
हाँ बेटा, लेकिन वो प्लेन होना चाहिए, उसमें लिखा हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए पहले से।
प्लेन
ओके?
प्लेन प्लेन प्लेन।
You have to write it. Yes.
ओके, फुल प्लेन।
Okay.
यस
Beta, now if you have chapter related any doubt you can ask me. Yes beta. You have to practice also at home of maps. That's why. जो भी मैप मैं आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में करवाऊंगी वो आपको फेयर नोटबुक में लगाना है। आफ्टर देन यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो ऑन देम, सो यू नीड 10 मैप एट लीस्ट। ओके, मैप्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन इट। Okay, in your next standard, you will also have to do maps in your history also. So make your practice for doing the map activities and identify the given topics. Okay, Yana beta, I saw your messages. Now don't give message. Okay. Thank you for this. Next 3, what is your doubt beta? Chapter related doubt you have? Right now I'm asking the question or doubts about the chapter. Next 3, what is your doubt beta? Next 3, what is your doubt? Next 3, am I audible beta? Next 3, am I audible or not? Next 3 is not giving answer.
Ma'am, I don't listen your voice.
Okay, what is your doubt beta?
Ma'am, I don't listen your voice.
बेटा आपकी तरफ देखो, आप कुछ सेटिंग में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? बेटा जो माइक है ना, माइक के पास जहाँ पे माइक होता है वहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? कॉलिंग का दिखा रहा है क्या वहाँ पे? नेत्री, आई एम राइटिंग इन मैसेज. बेटा डोंट लीव.
Ma'am, Harshil has a doubt.
Just a minute, I am going to take your attendance. Okay, beta, now Harshil and other students, those doubts have remaining.
मैम हमारा होमवर्क.
हाँ, मैं भी बताऊंगी बेटा. Note it down your doubts in your notebook, okay, and then ask me tomorrow. And your homework is read all the fill in the blank. All the fill in the blank from textbook and worksheet. From textbook and worksheet, read all the fill in the blanks for oral test.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, beta.
Now we can leave.
Bye, beta. Yes, beta. Now
Bye,
you can leave. Bye, beta.
Ma'am, listen your voice.
Netri, I'm just a minute, beta. Netri, I'm writing here message. Netri. Netri, beta, you call me at 5 to 7, okay? I will tell you what happened in your mobile, okay? I will tell you about the setting. I'm writing message for
There is network problem, so I don't listen your voice.
beta, I'm typing here. I written beta. I written message. Like this.